Provably enables agents to deliver hallucination-free workflows. And I'm going to quickly show you a demo of how that would work. Um, Here's a scenario where you've got a customer service agent. User asks a question, how can I check my last order status and the balance on my account? This agent then must figure out which APIs or MCPs to get that answer from. It has access to so many, so the error possibilities are much higher. And in this case, it went and got the answer from Stripe, Shopify, and a sales agent. But actually, for whatever reason, it said that Shopify actually delivered the order, Stripe, the payment was successful, and so on. This is a very, very common type of error. It can happen because or it has bad context. It tried to get to the answer as quickly as possible, or it's a bad model. Various reasons. We all know that the hallucinations happen. In this case, the customer sees the error first, and there is no verification tool that allows this agent, the customer service agent, to actually verify its responses before it's presenting that to the user. What Provably allows is that agentic workflows they must prove where they got their answer from, and it must be verified. If not, if it accidentally hallucinated or so on, it must try again when the verification fails, and then therefore it heals itself. Here, the customer service agent goes and gets the right data from Stripe, Shopify, etc., using our SDKs that are there to produce proofs that the answer did come from there and it was verified. And therefore, when the user sees it, they actually see that the Shopify delivery was pending, payment status had failed, and so on. I'm going to give you an example here of how that would actually work. This is a customer service portal where you have lots of different customers. They have open tickets and they're complaining about various things. And let's take Acme Corp and let's actually run a real question here. So, what plan is Acme on? In this case, the agent, we're running Claude Sonnet 4.5. It's got to go out and find the answer. So it says it's on the enterprise plan. I'm going to click on that, and it found the answer in CRM Get System. If I open that, I can see the URL, and I can see the request that went into that URL, and this was the answer. So it said the plan was enterprise. And using that, it actually created a natural language response. It produced a proof that the answer came from there, and the answer is enterprise, and it can prove where it came from, and then that's how it produced the final answer. We can do another example. Has Acme paid their April invoice? In this case, it must find that answer from another endpoint. Um, no, Acme has not paid their April invoice. The invoice has been issued on the 1st of April, but the status is still open. They have paid their previous invoice in March. So let me click on that. It found it this time in the billing list invoices, which is a different endpoint, and you can see the different invoices. There was the one for March, and then there's the one for April where it hasn't been paid yet. It produced a proof about this answer, and this proof has then since been verified as well. Um, these maybe I want to show you one more. The reason is in this case, I just want to show you this example where what plan is Acme on. In that case, it got one attribute back, enterprise. Have they paid their April invoice? Yes or no? But here, did Sarah ask anything about an SSO add-on? And yes, Sarah has asked about it, and she asked about it in a chat message. And the point is, you can actually not only check for individual attributes in some system of record, you can even get back you can even look for longer natural language responses, and because all these messages are saved, and it can prove where. So you can prove and verify all kinds of data from different endpoints. That's the whole point. And this makes the agentic responses very, very reliable. Um, this is now available for you to try. It's on github.com/provably AI. You go there, you can read about our paper, which is underpinning this technology, and also try out the verifiable data agent kit. That's basically the repo in which you will find these SDKs. We have just shipped. We're constantly making improvements. You can see that we've been working on it. Give us a star, try it, raise some issues, tell us what you'd like fixed, and yeah, look forward to hearing back on what you think about it.